Welcome back. In this video, we are going to work on the logout functionality. So here I'm going to take a const and the name of the variable that will be handle logout equals to, and this is going to be an async function. So here I'm going to write async, and let's take an arrow function. And here I'm going to use try catch block. And inside we need set loading, that is going to be true. So let's create the const. Here I'm going to say loading and set loading equals to use state, and initially it will be false. And here I'm going to say finally set loading, that is going to be false. And here we are going to use message API. Okay, so for that here we need to take a const, and I'm going to say message API, and we also need context holder, that is equal to message dot use message a message will come from entity. Okay, so message dot use message message. Let me save this file, and here we are going to use message API dot error, and inside the brackets I'm going to say, sorry, here I'm going to say error dot message or something went wrong. Okay, here I'm going to define the TypeScript as any. Okay, so now the error is gone, and then here we need to take a const response, that is equal to await Supabase config dot auth dot sign out. Okay, and if response dot error, okay, if we get an error, then we need to throw the error. So throw error response dot error dot message. Okay, and if everything goes right, then we need to say message API dot success, and we need to show the message log out successfully. Okay, and then once it is log out, then we need to navigate it to login page. So /login. Now we need to use this handle logout function inside the button here. So after the icon, I'm going to say on click equals to, and here we are going to take an arrow function. Sorry, not an arrow function. Inside the brackets, I'm going to paste handle logout, and then we also need, one second, just let me do an undo. Okay, so here I'm going to say on click equals to handle logout, and we also need loading that is equal to loading, and we also need disable that is equal to loading. Okay, save this. Now what else we need? We are also using context provider, so sorry, context folder. So let's copy this, and here inside the div I'm going to use this. And let's save the file, and let's go to the browser and check the functionality. So let me just refresh, and if I click here and if I click on logout, so okay, there was some error. Let me just check. Let me just refresh it. Okay, let me go back here and let's restart. Okay, so npm run dev. Okay, so let's go back and let me just, okay, it is logout. Let me copy this React Varsity 2023 at gmail.com 12346. Login successful. Now let's try to log out. Auth session missing. What is that? Let me check the console. Yes, so it is logged in successfully. I got the response. Now, what is happening with the logout? 204, no content. So let's try this in incognito. Okay, so let's go to incognito window, and here let me try it. Okay, okay, now let's try this. Okay, first let me log in. So it is logged in successfully. Now let's go here and click on logout. So it is working fine. And if I try to visit profile page maybe, so it will not work. It will redirect to login page again. So it is working fine. So this is it for this video. Thank you.